From airborne operations to sea and jungle warfare, these men of the Force Recon are the first amongst equals. Of the 9,000 Marines today, only 300 have earned the right to wear this badge of honor. But they only get there if they successfully pass some of the toughest training in the Philippine Armed Forces. When forward observers need to be sent far behind enemy lines, the Force Recon Battalion send their 8-man teams. But they don't go alone. They're joined by a deadly team of Marine Scout snipers.
Sinusuportahan din nila yung mga operating units sa putok. Pinuputokan nila yung kalaban na merong kinukuberan nila yung nag-assault.
The Marine Scout snipers are masters of camouflage and marksmanship, living up to their motto, one shot, one kill.
Ang isang sundalo pag marunong bumaril o nang una makakalis ka sa dami ng bala na ipinuputok. Once na pumutok pa, alam mong may tatamaan ka.
To pass the final stage of sniper training, they must put their own lives on the line. This is the confidence firing test. A mistake in this live fire exercise doesn't just mean failing the course. It could mean instant death for their comrade in arms.
Normal na yan sa isang tao, may nervous na lang. Pero dapat i-overcome yung nervous na yan.
It's designed to replicate the psychological pressure of a real operation.
Unang-una, mama, siyempre, tiwala ako sa sarili ko na kaya kong barilin yung lobo. Tsaka tiwala din ako dun sa kabady ko na kaya niyang tumayo sa harap. Kasi alam ko yung kakayahan ng kabady ko, alam ng kabady ko yung kakayahan ko. Kaya yung tiwala, nasa amin.
50% of sniper trainees fail this sharpshooting course, either by not making the grade or backing out on this final confidence test. The members of the airborne class are in week 4, the towering phase. This stage is key in perfecting the proper exiting procedure from an aircraft. Each day, the challenge of carrying more gear has been added.
Tinatalian ito para sa quick release. Kung halimbawa may combat jump, ito na yung mga dala-dala niya. I-release niya bago sa mag-land kasi hindi siya makaperform ng PLA pag hindi niya ito na-release.
Today, the jump has to be made wearing full combat gear, all 15 kilograms, and carrying a weapon.
Ali, ito yung last day ng awiring ng mga estudyante. Start sila, hindi pa masyadong marurunong, pero ngayon, perfect na nila yung, halos perfect na nila yung pag-jump dito sa tower. Katapos nito, ma-check out sila lahat. Proceed tayo sa yung actual jump na.
May kaba pa rin kaya laban.
Bring up and out! Elbow clip! Head tuck in! Sub! All sergeant! 1,000! 2,000!
Kaya dapat ma-qualify nila yung lahat na rifle o pack na same pa rin yung ginagawa nila doon sa ground, yung proper driving of reserve. Ang napansin namin doon sa yung dab niya kaya, yung elbow sticking out. Dapat ang ng reserve, dapat dito sa gilid. Delikado yon kasi mula sa taas, pababa ka, ang bilis lang, seconds lang yan. Mataas na yung 20 seconds yan, baba ka na. Kaya pasayos namin palagi na pag-exit, hawak ang reserve automatic.
Traveling at over 35 kilometers an hour, there isn't much time to think. Everything has to be done by instinct, or there won't be enough time to pull your reserve and save your life.
Proper gun, driving reserve, ha?
Oh, sergeant! Yakit!
O, si Binuan!
Hello!
Yun sa kanya ngayon, kasi rifle siya, yung hindi niya tanggal yung yung ng baril, yung tali. Tapos kasi tanggalin mo yun kasi once nanggalan ka na, delikado sa mga ganun na na sa jumpers na gano'n, na di matanggal yung tali ng rifle niya. Maaaring ma-injury siya dahil yung baril nga niya nakatali din dito. Si Binwan!
Ito! Tayo sa Binwan, Sergeant!
Yung releasing ng baril mo ha! Bumate ka! Kaya tingin ko naman makuha na sila lahat ito kasi sa tagal naman ng training, magawa nila ito maganda lahat itong mga kuha na ito. Pinapagawa namin.
It is the last day before the jump, and the airborne class is putting in some last-minute practice.
Day by day, pahirap po na pahirap. Sa awa po ng Diyos na sa ipasan naman po namin lahat.
Makinig ha, tandaan nyo ha kung anong jumpers kayo. Makinig. Porto, tandaan nyo kung anong jumpers kayo ha. Back lagi yung 5 points of performance. Ngayon, check body position and count. Check canopy and then canopy control ha.
Ang paa, posisyon na! Yun, ito ba yung ticket mo yung phone?
As they contemplate the final hours before their last test, the recruits share some lighter moments. It's key in strengthening the ties of brotherhood amongst Marines.
Itong airborne training ng Marines ay napakahirap. Pero at the end of the day, pagkatapos ng training, so sama-sama kami sa barracks, nakapag-usap-usap kami. So kahit pa paano, nawawala yung pagod, yung hirap. So para lang po kami isang pamilya dito na nagkakatuwaan.
Last night, we jumped the night before. We gotta jump tonight as we never jumped before.
Depending on these bonds is how small elite teams overcome enemy forces. It is a matter of life and death. Because behind enemy lines, the only thing they can depend on is each other. The recruits may have conquered their fear of the tower, but things are about to get tougher. All their weeks of training will be put to the test, and this time, if they make the same mistakes, they could pay the ultimate price.